Hello and welcome to another Swiftlearn tutorial. In this tutorial I'll demonstrate how to send large file types. Sometimes you wish to send a large file type within Outlook and it can be quite tricky. This could be a video file or actual picture file, and sometimes it can be unnecessarily a large file which can be easily compressed. In this demonstration I will show you three methods for compressing and sending a file within Outlook. The first method we're going to use is OneDrive.com. So firstly, go to www.onedrive.com and log in with your Outlook account as shown here. Once you're logged into OneDrive, we can create a new folder from here. I'm going to create a new folder just for the sake of putting my large file type in. So I'll click on New, Folder. I'm just going to call this large file, but you can call it whatever you like. Okay, so I'll just double click on that folder there, and then I'm going to upload my picture. Click on Upload, go to Files, scroll down, there's my picture. It could be anything, it could be a picture, it could be a video, whatever file size it is. It could even be a document or even a PDF that's just massive in size because it's a book. So I'll click on that, I'll click Open, and that gets uploaded. Okay, so I'm just going to left click on this, right click, go to share, type in the person's email address, I'll send it to myself, and then just click send, and boom, you're done. So that's the first method of sending a large file type. You don't have to use Outlook, you can simply upload it to your cloud storage and then send the file type. The second method we're going to look at is within Outlook itself, and you should have Outlook itself open for this particular demonstration. So the first thing we need to do is go to File, Home, click on New Email, type in the person's email address. I'm just going to send this to myself for this demonstration. I'm going to go to Insert, Attach File, choose that same picture again, and then we can see it's there. It's 2 megabytes. This time I'm going to File, and I'm going to resize the picture here. And then I just click send. And that's it. And as you can see now, the file here has come back to me, and now it's 179 kilobits. So a lot smaller in size than it was originally. The third method we can look at is by going again to New Email. This time I'm going to type my own email address again. Okay, I'm going to go to Insert. I'm going to click in the box here, click on Pictures, select that picture. Now we know it's 2 megabytes in size from our previous tutorial demonstration, our last method. So I'm just going to click send and send anyway. If I now go to view and change view settings and go to preview, so view, change view, preview, this time it's come back as 1 megabyte. Okay, let's see if we can compress that a little bit further. Let's go back to new email, type in my email address, go to insert, click in the box here, click pictures, scroll down, find that picture. If we double click on this picture here, we get some options up here. Okay, so I'm just double clicking on the picture. We've got some options up here underneath our ribbon tab. This button here, if I just hover over it, it says compress picture. So if we click on that and choose email and then click OK, and this time send again and send anyway. Again, it's come back and this time it's slightly smaller. So the file size is negligible, but it has compressed the file as much as it can without actually losing the quality. So there you go. I hope those 3 demonstrations on how to compress a file and send large file types has been beneficial and useful. I'll see you on the next tutorial. Thank you.